The beautiful fish you're looking at is the common carp. It belongs to the Cyprinidae family and has been used as food for thousands of years. You can easily find carp in family meals all over the world. On the market, carp is typically sold for $1 to $20, depending on the country. But this is a koi fish, another member of the Cyprinidae family. Despite being from the same family, koi fish are worth tens, even thousands of times more than their carp relatives. In fact, some koi fish have been sold for millions of dollars. They are considered the living jewels of the water world. With their vibrant colors, unique patterns, and mesmerizing beauty, koi fish have long been symbols of prosperity and good fortune. It's no coincidence that billionaires, business moguls, and collectors around the world are willing to pay thousands, even millions of dollars to own the finest koi fish. But what makes them so incredibly valuable? Why do these fish captivate the wealthy like no other? Today, we will unveil the fascinating journey of koi farming in Japan, from humble mud ponds to multi-million-dollar auctions. Let's meet S. Legend, the world's most expensive koi fish. Raised by the prestigious Sakai Fish Farm, S. Legend belongs to the Kohaku variety, one of the most prized and stunning koi breeds. With a perfectly balanced red and white pattern, an impressive size of 101 centimeters, and an exceptional lineage, this extraordinary fish became the centerpiece of an intense bidding war. The result? A buyer from Taiwan paid a record-breaking $1.8 million to own it.
Let's count. 3, 2, 1.
But why would anyone pay that much for a fish? To understand the true value of koi, we need to travel back in time to its origins. Many people mistakenly believe that koi originated in Japan, but the truth is different. Originally, carp were farmed in China as a food source. They were later introduced to Japan for the same purpose. However, in the 18th century, rice farmers in Niigata, Japan, noticed something unusual. Some carp in their rice fields developed unique color patterns. Instead of eating them, these farmers selectively bred the most colorful specimens, gradually creating fish with even more vibrant and striking patterns. And that's how the art of koi breeding was born. To produce the finest koi, Japanese farmers painstakingly select their breeding stock. Only the largest, healthiest, and most perfectly patterned fish are chosen as parents. Their lineage is carefully studied, ensuring that only fish with superior genetic potential are used for breeding. In fact, breeders care for these parent koi like family members. Some of them are decades old, treated with the utmost care and attention. Female koi are monitored 24/7 to determine the perfect time for egg collection. When the time is right, breeders gently sedate the female, manually extract the eggs, and carefully preserve them. At the same time, male koi are selected and their sperm is collected. The sperm is then mixed with the eggs in precise ratios, ensuring optimal fertilization. To improve the chances of success, special additives may be used in the water to enhance sperm activity. After fertilization, the eggs are transferred to clean, aerated tanks to prevent fungal growth. Within 3 to 5 days, the eggs hatch, producing millions of tiny koi fry. However, only 1% will survive the first selection round. During this first round, breeders meticulously sort the baby koi based on color, size, and body shape. Unlike goldfish, koi are not raised in glass tanks. Instead, they grow in mineral-rich mud ponds, which enhance their colors and patterns. After 1 year, the fish undergo a second selection round. Experts carefully handpick only the most exceptional fish to continue growing. High-quality koi are fed a protein-rich, nutrient-packed diet to enhance their health and colors. Meanwhile, those that don't meet the standard are sold at lower prices. The finest koi are eventually auctioned at exclusive events, where elite buyers compete to own these living masterpieces. Some koi can fetch prices as high as millions of dollars. Is the incredible journey of million-dollar koi fish. From ordinary carp to breathtaking works of art, these fish have been transformed by the skill and dedication of Japanese breeders. If you found this video fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Grand Farm. Join us as we explore more amazing stories about agriculture from around the world. See you in the next video.